Hey guys, how's it going? Duke4 back in with some more great videos. Today we're going to be taking apart the Xbox 360 controller. Now what you're going to need in order to clean the inside of your analog sticks is some all-natural pure vegetable oil and 2 paper towels.
One more depending on a prep, and we all look away, people pretend.
Alright, now taking it off the back of the controller should be pretty easy, and once you take the back off, you pretty much will see everything inside. Just carefully take that out of there. And by the way, you will need either a torque set if you have a wireless controller, or a regular screwdriver if you have a wired controller. Alright, this is your own risk for your controller. I mean, it shouldn't do too much damage, or it shouldn't even do any damage at all, because I tested it out and it works perfectly. No, not really anything was messed up. We just smoothing it out and it was a lot better than before.
They tell us everything's alright, and we just go along.
And if you're the kind of person who never opened a controller before, I mean, it would be a great idea to get inside there and clean off those analog sticks and some dust if you have any inside of there. I think it's very rare because the controller's like totally closed off. I don't know how dust could fall in there. If you had it like in an attic or something, you'd probably understand.
There's no giving.